going to be doing a quick headlight restoration using this restoration kit we have right here. So let's see if it's up to the challenge. This is what we'll be working on. So I'll just be walking you simply through the process of using the things that comes with this heavy-duty headlight restoration kit. These are all that are included in the package. Of course, we're gonna need to clean the headlight down before I start working on it, which I like to do. And this plastics thing right here is what I'm gonna be using to do that, right? Then I'll be using these scrubbers right here to scrub it down to polish it down to where I want to use a clear coat to put over it to protect it and seal it. So, all right, I'm just gonna walk you through that process. Bear with me. Here we go as we just quickly unbox our headlight cleaning kit box here. So let's see, we have our sander. All right, this one I guess is the first one because it's a 1000 P1000, meaning that I guess it's just not as fine grade dusting sanding as the next one that's inside here. This one is 3000. Okay, so that's self-explanatory. Next thing in the kit, of course, we're gonna clean the plastic and polish it before we start. I also use different products as well, but we're just looking at what's in this package. And this is what we're going to use to apply the sealant after we're done. And if you do have the luxury of using a drill to polish, this is the piece that we're going to use for that. All right, next phase is cleaning off this headlight, and we're going to start with this guy. All right. I also like to use this turtle wax lens clarifying compound to help with the cleanup process, because once you do it properly with the start, it helps the rest of the process to go very well. So I'm also going to apply this lens clarifying compound to clean up whatever residue or yellowing or all kinds of stuff that has built up on here before we start to rub it down. So already, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to see that we're having some cleanup. Through this cleanup process, we can see that this light was scratched and pretty damaged in the beginning, but already you're starting to see the process is already removing some of the residue here. So the next phase in the process, I'm going to introduce some. All right, just gonna use some water right over here that we can complete using this sanding, which of course is gonna take off the excess residue to bring it down to a level where we can do the second level sanding to clean up this headlight and prepare it for a sealing process. So next phase is just taking off this these residue that's on here. And so we can definitely go ahead and clean that up some more. So, okay guys, this is after the cleaning with the first sander here of P1000. So we're gonna move on to the P3000. And what you're looking for at the end of this process is just a hazy look just like this. When you get to this point, you're moving the right direction. So I'm gonna move over to the P3000 right here and continue with the sanding process and preparing it for sealing to look brand new again. So whatever you see here is basically just because the the plastic itself has aged. So we're just bringing it back to as new condition as possible. So okay guys, this is what it looks like after we've completed the P3000 grade sanding. So the next step in the process is just to simply use this Playtex plastic cleaner to polish the plastic, so we can get it ready for a sealing with this compound right here. It's the headlight sealant. This is what protects it from UV rays and actually helps it to maintain that like new look going forward for a long period of time. So whoever buys this, they're actually going to get a headlight that's as close to as new condition as possible. So all right, I'm going to just show you what it looks like on the end of this process. All right, thank you. So guys, this is what we have after we've done the polishing process. So it looks as good as new, but what we want to do at this stage is to maintain the new look. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to just apply the protectant that I just mentioned before, which is the headlight sealant, to seal in all this work that we've done to protect it from the UV rays, so the user of this headlight can actually get a good usage of it, just as though they would have bought a new headlight. So all right, so I'll be going ahead and using this. You can watch in the video as we go through the process as well. Okay, now we're done with sealing. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it out in this beautiful sunshine that we have here, let it sit and dry, and then it's basically ready to go. All right, so